Hey guys, it's Nathan, and this is another update within Notifier for some new features that we have just released. So you can now add a custom first name, or literally any custom parameters that you want within Notifier, and it will automatically display them. So if you see here, you have to do uh, open bracket, exclamation mark, and then whatever parameter you want it to pick up. So we can put in first name, and then this is basically the format that you have to do in order for us to pull it. So I can give you an example of how that works. So this will actually dynamically insert the first name of what I send over inside the URL. So if we go back onto our home page, I'm just going to come down here, and you can see in the URL I've put in first name is Nathan, website is notifier.io. So this is really easy to implement within email outreach campaigns. You can hide this within a link. When someone clicks on it, it means that they will they're going to get a personalized experience. And I'll just show you an example of where I set this up in my outreach as well. So this is a little personalization hack that I put together using Rebrandly, which goes and hides a link, and then when I actually reach out to a potential user on LinkedIn, it will insert a custom link for them, and it will just show their first name and last name, so it actually hides what's sort of going on in the back end, as you'll see here. So let's go into outreach. And if we come here, so you can see this is David Bear here, who is he's probably CEO or something at bayronmarketing.com. So I've generated a custom link for him through Rebrandly's API, and that's going to be inserted into any LinkedIn outreach or email outreach that I do to him. It's cold outreach, so he's got no idea who I am. And if he just clicks that link, the one that I've just sent, it's going to take him through to our website. That hasn't gone through properly. Did I change that round? No. Yeah, sorry. My fault. Title I forgot to change. There we go. Title. Okay, so now let me do this hard refresh. So that was the link that would have been sent to David, sorry. So now if we go for exit intent, it's going, 90 days free. There should be a comma there, but I'll add that in now. Better grammar. But so now he actually gets a personalized link, a personalized pop-up saying hi first name, and obviously he thinks he's just clicked just a random link on LinkedIn, and he's going to see that we actually know who he is, and we don't know what website he's come. We know he's come from LinkedIn, but we actually know the website that he owns as well. So this is just embedding crazy personalization into our website, particularly considering this is 100% cold outreach. He's never heard or seen of us before. So that is the new feature within Notifier. And then to talk about another little growth hack that I added on top of this, on our homepage, when he scrolls down, he's gonna that's worked brilliantly. He's gonna see this. I haven't, so because I've added his website here. In the background, Notifier is actually taking a screenshot of his website, and it's attaching the image here, and it's also pulling the colors from his website and attaching onto this widget. So I can just do a hard refresh, and you'll actually see it in real time. So hopefully, whilst he's spending his time at the top of the page, this is the default. It's now going to start rendering. Should start rendering. Yeah, it's loaded. That is an image from his website. And the screenshot should start loading now. I'm on my mobile 4G using a hotspot, so it might be a little bit slower than usual, but that is the general idea behind it. So that's something that I implemented that I like quite a lot. and it just puts his image everywhere. So I don't really know of any companies. I'm sure there are, just none that I've heard of that are doing something like that. So this is something that I just made up on my own as an easy way to add in a personalization layer on top of your website. So if that doesn't convince him to sign up, when he goes for the, I've closed it already, but when he goes for the exit intent, he's then going to get another like, hi David, da da da. So I've only just set up this this personalization, so that I've just started like tracking what the results are. I've had a few sales in the past hour. I'm not sure if they were actually through this or if they were through something else, so I'll check on the analytics later. But I'm like really happy with this update. Like, it makes personalization really easy and accessible to everyone. You can use this in any form of outreach, particularly on like email outreach. I think it would be really effective. So whenever anyone's clicking through, they're automatically going to get a personalized pop-up from you that has their first name, has their website. You can literally put any information you want in there as well. They're just two examples I've done. Like if you have their address, if you want, you can print that on there. If you had the last 4 digits to their card and you wanted to say like your card just expired, you can add that in there. It's literally infinitely flexible. We're just displaying parameters that you send over within the URL. So yeah, with that being said, thank you very much for watching. There's been a few other updates of Notify in terms of Zapier and other things. That there's a new widget that we've released that I'll make a video on very soon. Another one of my personal favourites. So I think we've had a really good start in 2020, despite the coronavirus issues and not such a good start elsewhere. I'm really happy with our like team and the direction everything's going in. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. If you haven't got a Notifier account and you want one, like there's like a 90-day free trial below. I think it is. Like if you watch my YouTube videos, it's the best offer that I have. So yeah, feel free to give it a try, and you can add personalization to your website. Other than that, thank you very much for watching and have a great day.